Hey, what is up guys, MKBHD here, and this is a boosted board, an electric skateboard. And this is my friend Sam. Sam knows a lot about electric skateboards. Electric skateboards can be really awesome with something like a boosted board. Instead of using your feet to kick and push, you use a remote control, some batteries, and a pair of electric motors to go. And the advantage is obviously that it uses a lot less of your energy, meaning you can go further and you can go faster. And if you get really good at it, a lot faster. Like Sam. Not like me. I'm not like a pro at this by any means. I mean, it's still faster than I would go on a regular skateboard, that's for sure. But yeah, you get the idea. You can go really, really fast. Anyway, today Boosted, the company, announced the second generation boosted board, and it looks a lot like the first one, but frequent riders or big fans of the original will notice the differences. So this is the Boosted Board 2. If you start with the remote is mostly the same. So it's the pistol grip, pretty small and lightweight. And to operate, it's the same way. You hold the safety switch on the front, and then you rotate the throttle along the top to go forwards or backwards. The more you turn, the faster you will go. Pretty simple. The remote connects to and controls the board via Bluetooth, and then also from that is where it gets the information that it displays on the side of the remote. So you get the board battery level, the connection status, the remote controls battery level, and what mode you're in. And different modes reach different speeds. Good to note the differences between mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. The batteries in the remote control and the boosted board are both rechargeable, but the boosted board 2 now has quick charging, so it'll fast charge to 85% in just 30 minutes. And it's now also user replaceable, so in theory you can carry another battery in your backpack and a screwdriver to take these screws off, swap it out, and effectively double your range. And speaking of range, there is a new range for the boosted board 2. It keeps roughly the same weight and size as you can see, about 15 pounds, but now they'll rock either a standard 99 watt battery that'll go 6 to 7 miles on a charge, or you can get the extended 199 watt battery that'll boost for 12 to 14 miles. So that's a lot longer than obviously your normal skateboard ride, but a lot more portable than a bicycle that you might use to commute that same distance in the city. And there are other smaller logistical improvements too, like the battery indicator light on the bottom of the board. The first board didn't have one of these, and the 2 Bluetooth radios in the boosted board itself. So you can have both your smartphone app and the remote control connected at the same time. Believe it or not, the first boosted board didn't do this either. There was only one Bluetooth radio. And there's also a new accessory port up front for upcoming modular accessories that they'll likely sell, stuff like headlamps or LEDs. And all the internals of the boosted board 2 are now water sealed in this housing. So it's not like a completely waterproof product, but you can now be that much more comfortable riding through puddles or riding in the rain, for example. And I actually found the boosted board 2 easier to ride than the original boosted board. Now, I don't know if it's just because I'm more of a beginner, so like I'm still early on the learning curve, to be fair. I'm probably only put in maybe 2 miles on the original board, but I found the ride quality of the boosted board 2 to be a lot better. It has better wheels, better trucks, better, more efficient motors, and the acceleration curve is smoother. It just overall felt a lot, I guess the key word is smoother to ride. And when I was riding it, I could focus more on where I wanted to go than on staying balanced. Although, like I said, I'm a beginner, so take that with a grain of salt. Overall, though, no doubt this is a piece of tech. Boosted boards, and just all electric skateboards in general, can be a legitimate mode of transportation in a stacked place like New York City like this. You guys already know how into electric cars I am with all their instant torque. And this board has the same thing. It accelerates crazy fast in mode 4, can go up to 22 miles an hour. That's way faster than, I guess, an analog skateboard. So if you want a more in-depth user's look at the boosted board 2, check out Sam's video. He has a YouTube channel and he's put some miles in this thing already. And like I said, he knows way more about electric skateboards, so that's your full review experience. And that's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I also now have that much more respect for people like Casey Neistat, who managed to ride a boosted board, control it, and record video at the same time. That's actually really hard, but we do it for the shot. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.